Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making beef barbacoa. Alright, let's jump right into it. I'm going to start off with beef shank. This cut of meat has bone marrow right in the middle. This is going to contribute greatly to the barbacoa. Alright, which brings me to my second cut of meat. This here is called a chuck roast. You might know it as a pot roast. This is a great cut of meat, great flavor, and it's gonna go great with this barbacoa. Alright, I'm going to be doing a dry brine with some salt. After I apply the salt, I'm going to let it rest for a few hours until the grill is ready, and then I'm going to sear it. Alright, I'm going to be using one full chimney. I'm going to be placing it over a bed of previously used charcoal. This is going to intensify the heat. It's going to be perfect when I sear these nice steaks. Alright, let's place our grate in there. I'm going to grab a piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to bunch it up into a ball, and I'm going to use this to clean the grill. This works fantastic, guys. There's no need for no wire bristles or any of that other fancy stuff. This works perfect. My grill is hot and ready. I'm going to be placing my steaks on here to get a nice sear on them. After a few minutes, you start to develop a nice sear on these steaks. You want to keep a close eye on these steaks just so they don't overcook. After it's nice and seared, we're going to be putting it into a pan along with adobo sauce and get ready for the oven. Our steaks look about done. We're going to be putting it into a pan and bringing it inside. Alright, these are all our ingredients. We're going to start off with 4 Chile Pasilla, 8 Chile Guajillo, about 16 garlic cloves or a whole head of garlic, 3 bay leaves, a half a white onion, 5 Chile Japoneses. Let's go ahead and get this on the pan and fry them up. You want to keep a close eye on this just because if you overcook it, this is going to develop a better taste. And it's going to throw off the flavor of your adobo sauce. Alright, once we have everything sauteed, we're going to be putting all of this goodness inside our blender and add the additional spices. Alright, I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of thyme, 3 cloves, 3 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of tomato bouillon, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm using sal de Colima. 1 tablespoon of black ground pepper. I use 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Alright, let's close this up and blend it. One technique I like to use is rocking this blender back and forth just so I could get everything integrated and well blended. Alright, let's go ahead and start pouring our adobo sauce over our meat. And I just wanted to let you guys know that the smell of this adobo sauce is really amazing. Once this gets in the oven and it starts to cook, your whole house is going to smell just like this. I'm going to be moving the steaks just to make sure that everything gets coated evenly. Alright, in order to get your banana leaves more pliable, you may need to put the leaves over the grill for a few seconds on each side. This will definitely release a beautiful aroma and will contribute greatly to your barbacoa. Now let's grab 2 pieces of aluminum foil and let's make sure that this is completely sealed, as this is going to go for a long cook. Alright, let's go ahead and put it in the oven. We're going to be doing 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 hours. Alright, a few hours before dinner time, let's go ahead and start prepping our pickled onions. I will be slicing the onion in half, chopping off the ends, and then slicing it julienne. Alright, I'm going to be using 2 limes to pickle these red onions. Alright, I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of sal de Colima along with 20 chitepines. I'm also going to be adding garlic powder. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon into our mix. I'm also going to be using one of my favorite seasoning sauces, salsa Maggi. I'm going to be using about 10 dashes. Let's mix it up and put it in the refrigerator. Alright, the barbacoa is now ready. Let's go ahead and take it out of the oven. Once you get ready to open this up, the smell is amazing, guys. This is actually truly one of my favorite dishes to make. Wow, look at how tender that is. Just falls right apart. Now, if you feel that your barbacoa is a little bit dry, go ahead and feel free to add water. You could start off with half a cup and work your way up. There you have it, guys, homemade barbacoa. I'm going to be making tacos and quesadillas, but you truly could use this for whatever you want. Burritos, nachos, the world is yours, guys. I'm also going to be using this green avocado salsa. I'm going to be posting the link in the description down below. Alright, that's all for now, guys. Thanks again for joining me on another video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.
That's all for now from willsblazingbbqandkitchen. BBQ is so good, make you wanna slap your papa.